Want extra protection for your Amazon Seller Central account? Setting up an OTP code with a mobile authenticator is easy. I'll show you how to do it in today's video. So first thing you're going to do is you need to get Authenticator. So you're going to type in Authenticator.Cc. Here it is, Authenticator.Cc, and you can add it to your Chrome. So click Add to Chrome, add that. You also want to get Authy. This one's going to be in your App Store. If you have Google or Android, you have it right here. Just type in authy.com/download, right? Now, whatever authenticator you pick, make sure you back up the data. I'm saying to do 2 because 2 is better than 1, right? So another good way is just to have both. So if you lose one, you've got the second run ready to go, right? It's hard to lose 2. So now you're gonna have one on your phone and you're gonna have one on your desktop that looks like a little extension right here. And now we are time to get it set up. So you're gonna go into Amazon Seller Central, go to settings. There's gonna be login settings. You're gonna click on this button right here. Once you click on login settings, it's gonna take you to this page. You're gonna go all the way down to the bottom and it says 2-step verification. Click on manage. Once you're here, it's going to show you this page and you're going to click on add new app right here. And this is where you get your authenticator set up. So once you click on add new app, it's going to look just like this. And it's going to be like, okay, scan it right here. So you can scan the barcode. If the barcode does not scan, so with Authy, you can just go on your phone and then there's gonna be a button, add scan, and you can scan it, boom, it's set up. And now it's gonna give you a code. You're gonna put that little code in right here, verify OTP and continue, and bada bing, bada boom, you are good to go. If you're using the extension, so if you're using the extension, right, you're gonna click on this, then you're going to click on this button to scan it, and then you can just scan it. You might have to do it like 4 times. Right? So you can click this, and then scan it. Okay, so you're gonna scan that barcode and then it's going to work. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't scan, which happens all the time, what you're gonna do is see it right here, it says can't scan the barcode. You're gonna click on that. And it's gonna give you a code. Enter your key. So you're gonna enter the space not required. So you're gonna enter your key, right? It's gonna be, it's in red right now because I can't share my key with you. But what you're gonna do, it's gonna be all these numbers like U, G, M, F, A, 1, 2, 1, all these random numbers, okay? And letters. You're gonna put them in here and then you're gonna push that in right here instead. You're gonna click this, you're gonna click this button, this little pencil, click plus, manual entry. And then you're just gonna put like, whatever your, this is issuer is just like to help you remember it. So you can just put like Amazon. And then you put your code into here. Right when you put your code in, then you're gonna click OK, and once you click OK, it's automatically going to populate the code for you. So bada bing, you're gonna click on your Authenticator button, and it's gonna show Amazon, like that's what I put for the Authenticator name, and then it's gonna have a number, like it's gonna have numbers, it's gonna have a little code. You're gonna copy that, you're gonna go to your Authenticator, and you're gonna put that code right into here and click verify OTP, and then you're good to go. So I showed you 2 ways to scan it, and if scanning's not work, how to manually enter it. Once you manually enter it, then you're good to go. Now you have 2 apps. You're gonna have this one and this one, so you do it twice. So you do it once, you get it all set up and ready to go, verify OTP, then you're gonna go back to here, you're gonna click add new app and you're gonna add that second app. Now you have 2 backups. Now it's time to test if it works. So what you're gonna do is go into new incognito window, then you're going to log back into Amazon. You're gonna log into Amazon and now it's gonna ask for your OTP. If it doesn't ask for your OTP, there's gonna be a button. So it's you're gonna put in your username, you're gonna put in your password, then there's gonna be a button, use different way to log in, and then you can click, oh, use my OTP instead of my phone number. And that's how you can log into Amazon Seller Central. You wanna triple check it works before you log out of your actual account. That's why I recommend to test it in an incognito window. And you're gonna have 2 backups. So if one gets deleted, you've got Authy on your phone and you've got one on your desktop, and you can also back it up, like I said, right here. But that's it for today's video. Have you used an Authenticator app before? Share your setup tips in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.